ఫ్లో
Yeah,
ఉంది.
good evening. Today I would like to explain Python
Yes, sir.
programming. In this Python programming, I would like to explain core Python programming and advanced Python programming. So, in core Python programming, I am demonstrating concepts like variables, data types, basic mathematical operations, operator precedence, string operations, functions, conditional statements, classes, and objects. In collections, we are going to discuss about various Python collections, arrays, sets, tuples, lists, dictionaries, loop statements, file operations, exceptions. Then advanced Python programming, we are discussing about NumPy, SciPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, Matplotlib, sklearn, Theano, TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch. Then next going to next concept, Python for everything. Here we are discussing about Python plus Pandas data manipulation, Python plus scikit-learn machine learning, Python plus TensorFlow deep learning, Python plus Matplotlib data visualization, Python plus Seaborn advanced visualization, Python plus Flask web development, Python plus Pygame for game development applications, Python plus Kiwi for mobile app development, Python plus Django full stack web development, Python plus NumPy numerical computation, Python plus Keras for solving neural networks applications, Python plus Plotly for interactive visualization, Python plus Fast API for fast web application programming interface, Python plus tkinter we are using GUI development, Python plus Beautiful Soap for web scraping, Python plus Scrapy for web scrolling, Python plus OpenCV computer vision, Python plus Philo for image processing applications.